DPWH, DPWH, DPWH.
The Bids and Awards Committee members, the Technical Working Group, the back secretariat, the representative of the Pristec Trading. Good morning to everyone. Call to order for the opening of bids and eligibility screening for 3 civil work projects with contract ID number 24BC0082, re-advertise, 24BC0101, and 24BC127. And one good with contract ID number 24GBC01. May I request the head back secretariat to please roll call and determine if we have a quorum.
Good morning to everyone. Let us have the roll call and please acknowledge when your name is called. Let's start with the members of the Bids and Awards Committee. Our chairperson, Engineer Romeo Yakin.
Present.
And as per request for substitution in lieu of Engineer Rolando Torrida, our Vice Chairperson, Engineer Mario Natividad. And the members, Ma'am Emeline Ortesa, Engineer Julian Castro Jr., Engineer Joselito Basig, and Architect Emilio Abella. From the back technical working group headed by Engineer Marjan Chris Gulia, and the members, Engineer Wilmer Tindo, Engineer Flordan Fernando, and Ma'am Amelia Ragsa. And from the back secretariat, yours truly, Christian Ragirag, and the members, Aisala Borenia, Carla May Espergal, Gilbert Concordia, Christine Sadam, and Michael Ray Biado. And our and representative from prospective bidders, from Ristec Trading, Maria Lailani S. Soledo. And Mr. Chair, with the majority of the members of the Bids and Awards Committee, we have a quorum.
Thank you, Christian. Okay, let's begin with the goods. 24GBC01, furnishing delivery of office supplies for use in the district. May I request the back secretariat to open, please open the, sorry. May I request the head back secretariat to read the bidders who submitted bids for this contract, 24GBC01.
Mr. Chair, for 24GBC01, as of 10 o'clock this morning, May 7, 2024, the deadline of submission of bids, the back received 2 bid proposal from MS Construction and Supplies and from Ristec Trading. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Christian. May I request the back secretariat to please open the technical proposal from the 2 prospective bidders.
technical component from Ristec Trading for the contract 24 GBC01 submitted to you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Christian. May I request Engineer Castro to please evaluate and examine the technical proposal of Ristec Trading.
And technical documents from MS Construction and Supplies for the contract 24 GBC01.
Thank you, Christian. May I request Engineer Natividad to please evaluate and examine the technical documents of MS Construction and Supply. And while waiting for the evaluation, let's proceed to the next contract, the civil work projects. May I request the Headback Secretariat to please read. There are bidders who submitted bids for contract ID number 24 BC 0082.
Mr. Chair, for the contract 24 BC 0082 re-advertise, the bank received only one bid proposal via manual submission from JG Akas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CMG Junior Builders. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. May I request the Back Secretariat to please open the technical proposal of the loan participating bidder, JG Yakas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CMG Junior Builders for contract ID number 24 BC 0082.
Original copy of the technical proposal from JG Akas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CMG Junior Builders for the contract 24 BC 0082 re-advertise.
Thank you, Christian. May I request Engineer Basig to please evaluate, examine the technical proposal of JG Yakas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CME Junior Builders. Okay, let's proceed to the next contract while waiting for the evaluation. May I request the Headback Secretariat to read if there are bidders who submitted bids for contract ID number 24 BC 0101.
And for the contract 24 BC 0101, there are two participating bidders who submitted their bids via manual submission from A. Nidwasa Builders and B.A. Lagaso Builders. No bid received via electronic submission, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Christian. I request the Back Secretariat to please open the technical envelope of the two participating bidders, A. Nidwasa Builders and B.A. Lagaso Builders, for contract ID number 24 BC 0101.
Original copy of technical proposal from B.A. Lagaso Builders for contract ID 24 BC 0101.
May I request Engineer Architect Abelia to please evaluate, examine the technical proposal of B.A. Lagaso Builders.
And technical proposal from A. Nidwasa Builders for the contract 24 BC 0101.
May I request Mrs. Ortesa to please evaluate, examine the technical proposal of A. Nidwasa Builders. Okay, let's proceed to the next contract. May I request the Head Back Secretariat to read the bidders who submitted bids for contract ID number 24BC 0127.
Mr. Chair, for 24BC 0127, we have received only one proposal via manual submission from KBL Builders Construction.
Only one. May I request the Back Secretariat to please open the technical envelope of the loan participating bidder, KBL Builders Construction for contract ID number 24BC 0127.
And for 24BC 0127, original copy of the technical proposal submitted by KBL Builders Construction.
Thank you, Engineer Ragirag. May I request Engineer Gulia to please evaluate, examine the technical proposal of the loan participating bidder, KBL Builders Construction, for contract ID number 24BC 0127.
Mr. Chair, for contract ID number 24GBC01, MS Construction passed the preliminary evaluation of its technical documents.
Mr. Chair, also with the technical components submitted by Ristec Trading, he passed the preliminary evaluation on this technical component for contract ID number 24GBC01, furnishing delivery of office supplies for use in the district.
Thank you, Engineer Castro. Since the two participating bidders passed the initial evaluation, let's open now the financial documents of the two participating bidder for contract ID number 24GBC01.
Mr. Chair, the submitted technical component of BA Lagazo Builders passed the initial evaluation for contract ID number 24BC 0101, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Architect Abelia.
Mr. Chair, original copies of the financial documents from the two eligible bidders for the contract 24GBC01 from MS Construction and Supplies and from Ristec Trading.
Thank you, Engineer Girag. May I request Architect Abelia to please evaluate, examine the financial proposals of the two eligible bidders for contract ID number 24GBC01.
Mr. Chair, the technical proposal of Amy Duasa Builders passed the initial evaluation for contract ID number 24BC 0101.
Thank you, Emily. May I request the Back Secretariat to please process the electronic eligible screening of the two eligible bidders, participating bidders who passed the preliminary examination.
Mr. Chair, informing you that CMG Junior Builders, joint venture with JG Yakas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, passed the preliminary examination on their technical documents.
Thank you, Engineer Basig. May I request the back secretariat to please process the electronic eligible screening of the loan participating bidders who passed the initial evaluation.
Mr. Chair, the submitted original technical proposal of KBL Builders Construction for Contract ID 24BC0127 passed the preliminary examination.
Thank you, Engineer Gulya. Again, may I request the back secretariat to please process the electronic eligible screening of the loan participating bidder for contract ID number 24BC0127 who passed the initial evaluation. Architect Abele, please read the result of your evaluation.
Okay, Mr. Chair, the submitted financial document of MS Construction and Supplies passed the initial evaluation for contract ID number 24GBC01, Mr. Chair.
Also, Mr. Chair, from the financial proposal of Ristec Trading, he also passed the preliminary evaluation.
Please read their submitted bids.
To abstract contract ID number 24GBC01, furnishing delivery of office supplies for use in the district. And the approved budget for the contract is 2,173,836 pesos with a contract duration of 30 calendar days. First bidder, we have the MS Construction and Supplies submitted a bid security in the form of bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Mia Katrina Yu Ugali, dated May 3, 2024. Mr. Chair, with regards to the financial documents, may we forego the particulars and I'll just read the total amount because there are also items 100 or maybe 166 items like that. 168, 69, 178, 189, 193 items, particulars. So may I just read the total amount?
Total amount.
So the MS Construction and Supplies submitted a total bid price of 2,062,967 pesos and 50 centavos, and promised to furnish and deliver the materials within 30 calendar days, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Emil.
The second supplier, Mr. Chair, Ristec Trading submitted a bid security in the form of bid securing declaration notarized by Attorney Aurea Belen P. Baliat, dated May 6, 2024. And the total amount submitted is 1,964,040 pesos only. 40 pesos only.
Thank you, Marjan. The lowest bidder for contract ID number 24GBC01 is Ristec Trading with a total bid amount 1,964,040 pesos. However, his bid is still subject for post-qualification and evaluation. Let's proceed to the civil work project. May I request the Henback Secretariat to please read the result of the electronic eligibility screening of the loan participating bidder for contract ID number 24BC0082.
Sorry, Mr. Chair, I don't have the result yet.
Yet, 24BC0101.
Yes, sir. Wala pang eligibility screening.
Wala pa.
Yes, sir.
Ongoing pa lang? Okay. Let's wait.
Eligibility screening for the contract 24BC0101. Result of electronic eligibility screening for the contract 24BC0101 with the two participating bidders, BA Lagaso Builders and A Nidwasa Builders. As to legal aspects, based from the submitted Annex A of the PhilJEP's registration certificate, the two participating bidders have valid and updated legal documents. However, in the registry of the civil work application, A Nidwasa Builders needs to update the DTI registration certificate. And as to technical and financial aspects, based on the category buildings, construction without piles, low-rise concrete frame, 1 to 5 stories with an ABC of 9,900,000 pesos. BA Lagaso Builders has valid pickup license and pickup registration, passed the required work experience with SLCC, and passed the required NFCC. A Nidwasa Builders, valid pickup license and pickup registration, passed the work experience due to pickup license, size range small b. And in the registry of the CWA, the financial statement is not updated, no 2022 financial statement. But A Nidwasa Builders attached the updated audited financial statement FY 2023, and based from the computation, A Nidwasa Builders passed the required NFCC. With this, Mr. Chair, subject for updating in the CWA, the two participating bidders are eligible.
Thank you, Christian. Excuse me. May I request the Back Secretariat to please open the financial envelope of the two eligible bidders for contract ID number 24BC0101.
Financial proposals from the two eligible bidders for the contract 24BC0101. A Nidwasa Builders and BA Lagaso Builders.
Thank you, Christian. May I request Engineer Gulia to please examine the financial proposal of BA Lagaso Builders. Also, may I request Architect Abella to please examine the financial proposal of A Nidwasa Builders. May I request Engineer Ragirag to please read the result of the electronic eligible screening of the loan participating bidder for contract ID number 24BC0082. Sorry, I should say 24BC0127.
Result of electronic eligibility screening in the civil work application for the contract 24BC0127. With the loan participating bidder, KBL Builders Construction. As to legal aspects, based from the PhilJEP's registration and from the registry of the civil work application, KBL Builders Construction has valid and updated legal documents. And for the technical and financial aspects, on the category buildings construction without piles, low-rise concrete frame 1 to 5 stories with an ABC of 500,000 pesos. KBL Builders Construction has valid pickup license, valid pickup registration with a small b, pickup license size range, and passed the required NFCC. With this, Mr. Chair, the loan participating bidder is eligible.
Thank you, Engineer Ragirag. Engineer Gulia and Architect Abella, please read the result of your evaluation on the financial proposals of A Nidwasa Builders and BA Lagaso Builders.
Mr. Chair, the submitted financial document of BA Lagaso Builders for contract ID 24BC0101 passed the preliminary evaluation.
and also with the submitted financial component of Amy Duaza Builders passed the initial evaluation for contract ID number 24BC0101, Mr. Chair.
Please read the submitted bids.
To abstract contract ID number 24BC0101, Convergence and Spatial Support Program, Basic Infrastructure Program, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to support social services, construction of Municipal Disaster and Risk Reduction and Management Office, Santa Praxedes, Cagayan. The approved budget for the contract, 9,900,000 pesos only, with a contract duration of 214 calendar days. First bidder, Amy Duaza Builders, submitted the bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, notarized by Attorney Adela S. Guillermo Soriano, dated April 23, 2024. Amy Duaza Builders submitted a total bid price of 9,799,852 pesos and 43 centavos, and promised to finish the project for 214 calendar days, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Emil.
The second bidder, Mr. Chair, BA Lagaso Builders submitted a bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, notarized by Attorney Adela S. Guillermo Soriano, dated April 29, 2024. BA Lagaso Builders submitted a total bid amount of 9,724,552 pesos and 60 centavos. No discount offered for a contract duration of 214 calendar days. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Marjen. The lowest bidder for contract ID number 24BC0101 is BA Lagaso Builders with a total bid amount of 9,724,552 pesos and 60 centavos. However, his bid is still subject for post-qualification and evaluation. May I request the Back Secretariat to please open the financial envelope of the loan eligible bidder for contract ID number 24BC0127.
Financial proposal from the loan eligible bidder for the contract 24BC0127, KBL Builders Construction.
Thank you, Christian. May I request Architect Abella to please examine the financial proposal of the loan eligible bidder, KBL Builders Construction, for contract ID number 24BC0127. Ada tanya kawan? Christian? Banyak.
Mr. Chair, the submitted financial proposal of KBL Builders passed the initial evaluation for contract ID number 24BC0127, Mr. Chair.
Please read his submitted bid.
To abstract contract ID number 24BC0127, repair, maintenance of DPWH building, Cagayan 2nd District Engineering Office, main building, new building 1. The approved budget for the contract, 500,000 pesos with a contract duration of 76 calendar days. The loan bidder, KBL Builders, submitted a bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, notarized by Attorney Maizel U. Donaire, dated May 6, 2024. KBL Builders submitted a total bid price of 494,190 pesos only, and promised to finish the project for 76 calendar days, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Emil. I repeat the total bid amount of the loan eligible bidder, KBL Builders Construction, is 494,190 pesos only. However, this bid is still subject for post-qualification and evaluation. May I ask the Head Secretariat to read the result of the electronic eligible screening of the loan participating bidder for contract ID number 24BC0082.
Result of the electronic eligibility screening in the civil work application for the contract 24BC0082 with the loan participating bidder, joint venture of CMG Junior Builders and JJ Akas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental. And for the legal aspects, based from the Annex A of the PhilJEPS registration certificate and based from the registry of the civil work application, the joint venture of CMG Junior Builders and JJ Akas Construction has valid legal documents. And for the technical and financial aspects, on the category roads construction PCCP with an ABC of 72,375,000 pesos. CMG Junior Builders has valid pickup license, pickup registration. JJ Akas Construction, valid pickup license, but the pickup registration is not updated in the civil work application. But in the Dutch PhilJEPS registration certificate, valid until February 18, 2027, subject for updating in the CWA. Work experience, passed with SLCC, also passed the required NFCC. So, Mr. Chair, subject for updating in the CWA for the pickup registration of JJ Akas Construction, Supply and Equipment Rental, the joint venture of CMG Junior Builders and JJ Akas Construction is eligible for the contract.
Thank you, Christian. May I request the Back Secretariat to please open the financial envelope of the loan eligible bidder for contract ID number 24BC 0082.
Original copy of the financial component submitted by the joint venture of CMG Junior Builders and JG Yacas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental for the contract 24BC 0082 re-advertised.
Thank you, Christian. I request Architect Abella to please evaluate, examine the financial proposal of the loan eligible bidder, JG Yacas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CMG Junior Builders for contract ID number 24BC 0082.
Mr. Chair, the submitted original financial component of CMG Junior Builders joint venture with JG Yacas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental were properly signed by the AMO and SMART pass criterion, Mr. Chair.
Please read his submitted bid.
To abstract contract ID number 24BC 0082, Convergence and Special Support Program, construction improvement of access roads leading to declared tourism destination, Abulug, Ballesteros, Bayview Boulevard, including access road leading to beach resorts, Phase 1, Abulug, Cagayan. The approved budget for the contract, 72,357,000 pesos only, with the contract duration of 351 calendar days. The loan bidder, JG Yacas Construction and CMG Junior Builders, submitted the bid security in the form of bid securing declaration, notarized by Attorney Maisel U. Donaire, dated April 29, 2024. JG Yacas Construction, joint venture with CMG Junior Builders, submitted a total bid price of 72,200,629 pesos and 92 centavos and promised to finish the project for 351 calendar days, Mr. Chair.
Thank you. Thank you, Emil. I repeat the total bid price of the loan eligible bidder, JG Yacas Construction Supply and Equipment Rental, joint venture with CMB Junior Builders for contract ID number 24BC 0082 is 72,200,629 pesos and 92 centavos. However, his bid is still subject for post-qualification and evaluation. Any question, comments from the bidders? The representative of Ristec Trading. Any question? Okay, no question. Thank you. Any announcement from the Handback Secretariat? Engineer Basig, please. Have a comment?
To all contractors who are viewing with us today through live streaming, I observed that while scrutinizing the legal documents of the contractors, I noticed that their legal documents will be expiring this June. So better renew your legal documents. That's only my announcement.
Thank you, Engineer Basig, for your reaction. Any comments, suggestion? Ma'am Ami? Okay, no more. Any announcement from the Handback Secretariat?
Mr. Chair, I would just like to inform the body that we will be having another opening of bids on May 14, 2024 for six civil work projects. That's all, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Engineer Aguirre. Members, please remember the day. The date, May 14, 2023. Sorry, 2024. Meron ulit tayong bidding. Any motion to adjourn the procurement activities?
Mr. Chair, since there is no more bids to open and we don't have other matters to discuss, I move that this procurement activity be adjourned.
Okay, the bidding activities is adjourned. Thank you for attending these procurement activities.